What is going on, people? Welcome back, and in this video we're going to go over the ads manager inside the software. So let me quickly show you where it is, how to access it, and how it looks like, and how you could start generating leads literally today. So let me show you. Once you have access and you log in, you're going to click on the marketing tab. Once you click on the marketing tab, you're going to want to connect your Facebook account. You want to make sure that you have money in Facebook Ads Manager. Just make sure that it's connected. You have a Facebook page. This way you could start doing posts right from here. You could also do it from the Launchpad. Just again, make sure that you connect your Facebook account right in here. Or you could go to settings and integration. Let's see what integrations are. Again, connect this Facebook and Instagram right in here. So let's go back. Let's click on marketing, and then you will see this tab called Ads Manager. Now you will have to claim it. Just click the $10. Don't worry about it. I have you guys covered with that. And let's take a look. Once you log in, it's going to look something like this. So you have this big, nice blue button. And before you just make sure that everything's green, everything's ready to go. Once you click on the settings. So let's go back. Sorry about that. Just want to cover everything as much as I could remember in my brain. Again, this is brand new. It literally says new. You could click on this blue button and you have start from scratch, or you have the ads manager templates. These are proven templates that other people ran before or are running now with the ads, and you could see there's plenty of different categories to choose from. What I didn't find was real estate. That's what actually one of my clients was requesting, real estate. But you could see how many beautiful with headlines, descriptions that are proven, and they've been working for other businesses. So you could literally just click on it, import it, and just start running ads and start creating leads. So when I typed in real estate, wasn't there. Okay, you have plenty of others, but real estate wasn't there. So let's go back, and we're gonna start from scratch. So I actually started playing around with it just for the video and to speed the video up. So click on it, start from scratch. And what I did here, and you can see how beautiful your ad will look like. You could preview it right in here. And what I did, all my information is gone. Okay, no problem, no worries. So what I did, I created this beautiful image in Flux. It's a all AI generated image, and all I did is I put this terrible prompt, but it worked out perfectly. A beautiful apartment in New York City, and this is what it generated. Also, I was playing around. You could get a lot of your images or your videos. I don't know if you ever use Canva.com. It has just incredible Facebook ready to go ads or images, videos, anything. Just click on it. I don't know if, again, this is not the video about Canva, but this is where I create a lot of ads that I'm running on Facebook. Also, what I did, I have a premium account in ChatGPT. And what I did, you could simply click on Explore GPT. This is an incredible feature. It's a premium feature. And I'm working with the Facebook as virtual assistant. And what it is, it's literally pre-prompted just to run ads. So you have the headlines, description, and everything's literally to catch people attention with your ads. So you want to catch people attention with your description. Headline's a big deal, and so I'm going to show you exactly what I did. I just again, this is a poor prompting, but even with poor prompting, look at this incredible spacious 2-bedroom in Queens, modern kitchen, hardwood floors, subway. It just came up with the headline. So let's copy this. And let's see. So you have two tabs. These are the best tabs if you're running e-commerce. Just you're probably gonna want to do website URL. So basically, when somebody clicks on the ad, it's gonna take them directly to your product page. So you would use the website traffic. For most people, if you're just running, if you want to collect leads and then call them back and try to close them, sell them something, just use the lead generation. This way you start collecting emails, names, phone numbers. So that's the information. You're obviously paying for it. So you want to get that, and you could nurture them. You could send them emails after. So categories, just leave it the way it is. This lead form, you could change the button, exactly what it says, apply now, download, get a quote. I mean, just whatever suits your purposes, subscribe, sign up. You're definitely going to want to do that. Create a Facebook form. Facebook already has a form, so it's super simple. You don't need to go beyond that. First name, phone number, email. That's all you really need. Once you have that information, you're good to go. You could start calling them. You could start emailing them. So let's create our first primary text. Now, it only wants you 125 characters. You could always click on this button. It will tell you exactly what to put in. So, boom. And you could see how it instantly appears right in here. I mean, obviously, you could change it or do whatever. Carousel, single image. You could use carousel if you have multiple images. I highly recommend use carousel. If not, single image. If it's good, you could definitely use it. Let's upload, and look at this. We could just upload. Boom. Look, you see how this ad really coming out so much nice, beautiful. And let's upload here. Obviously, my Facebook has to do with AI automation engineer. Obviously, I would not run any kind of real estate ads, but just for the purpose of this video. And also, I prompted, I need a headline for the apartment. Boom, easy. And now you have a headline. You could use emojis. Obviously, how many characters? 40 characters. Use as many characters as you like, up to 40. And now take a look at this prompt. So give me a description. Obviously, I didn't realize that it has to be a short description. And then ask, give me with emojis. Look how cool. So you could actually pick one of them. Let's just go with the first one. Let's copy this. Let's go back to the ad. Boom. And take a look how it looks like now. How cool is that? Learn more. Obviously, you could change the button right in here. Apply now. Boom. See how the button changed? So just play around with it. Click next. We're almost done. We're just going to select our audience. Your daily budget. Let's say you could do $5. Or you could do a lifetime. Simply, if you want to run an ad 3 days, 1 week, so you could just put whatever you want to spend for those 3 days, and Facebook will distribute the funds with it. It's 25. Boom. Just make sure you select how long you want to run the ads for. Okay. So just again, play around with this. Select now. Again, that's the difference between daily and lifetime of the ad. Just make sure you change the settings of the calendar. Location, I like to pinpoint my location. Obviously, you could do whatever you want. Let's say I'm located in 11554 East Meadow. Boom. And I'm gonna select include, and you want to include how much within 1 mile. So this is where you just run the settings, how much you could just literally just run ads just to 11554 area, and those are the only people that will see your ad. What else we have? We have so we have target interest. Facebook will know who to run the ads to. Look-alike, for example, if Facebook knows about everybody. So if somebody else looking for the apartment, it will try to match the person that is might be interested in the apartment as well. Or if you target to watch collectors, it will know other potential clients that will be in the watches. For example, I'm just spinning out ideas as the video goes. Retargeting. So basically, this is a little more. Actually, you could upload your list of clients that you did the business before, or whoever bought from you. You just upload the list of clients right in here. Okay. Customize from your website, from your pages. Sometimes you would have to retargeting, you will have to put a pixel. It's like a little code on your website. So whoever visited your website and left, you could retarget them with the ad. Let's say if they visit your website or they never bought. So this is what retargeting. That's actually very high intent. I would recommend that a lot, but you would have to install a pixel. It's a little code. This is not the video for. And you're literally ready to go. Just with the target audience, language, English. And then you could pick your demographics. You could just look right in here. Everything's good. You could select literally all of them. And then genders, all, whatever. I mean, you decide. Age groups, again, you decide. And click next, and you're literally ready to rock and roll. Just here's the preview. Just they're double checking, and all you got to do is hit publish, and voila, you'll be running ads, and you're gonna start collecting leads literally as soon as your ad gets approved. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.